Hi, some quick clips on how I'm using this large bar pan. I've taken and sprinkled a little bit of avocado oil onto the pan, and it came with this little scraper thing, so it works really good. It's really good for spreading this oil around evenly. This is my first use, so as per instructions, I did use that little bit of oil on the bottom. If I twist up my bacon, I can fit more on a plate. About 2 pounds onto this is what I'm hoping. Okay, I got every bit of 2 pounds of bacon, maybe a little bit more, ready to go into the oven. 425, I'll check it after about 35-40 minutes. And we'll check on it then and see how we're doing. Okay, here we are, fresh out of the oven. I used these little silicone grips to bring it out. They have a nice little grip thing on the inside and little ridges on the outside or inside so that I could grip the sides of the pan really easily. I'm going to grab my tongs here from Pampered Chef. And it did say there may be some sticking the first time you use the pan, but I don't see anything sticking. And my bacon is a success. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.